Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. We're just chilling by the pool and stuff. So we're here today and we're gonna buy 100 chicken nuggets from McDonald's because we're gonna do the 100 chicken nugget challenge. This is gonna be so fun. So we're just gonna Uber Eats the 100 nuggets. We're gonna do 20 piece, but times 5.
So do the math.
And so we're gonna place the order now and then see ya.
Hey.
We got the goods. We got the goods. So as you can see, we're all super hype about this. We're gonna do a setup.
We've literally been talking about doing something like this for like, I don't know, a couple years.
Yeah, literally, and we're finally doing it. Here's our setup, all our sweet and sour sauce and nuggets. And we're about to down all of these.
Chicken nuggets.
Okay, let's kill them all.
Okay guys, so we're about to attempt the challenge. It's all 50 nuggets and oh stupid, all 100 nuggets. Ready guys for the first
Everybody
nugget?
take one. Everybody take one.
I can't reach.
Okay.
Here I
Yeah, you have to pass. Thanks.
Okay, ready?
Oh my
Dip
God.
it, dip it.
Dip it. I don't want to dip it.
Okay, ready?
Is that?
Oh my god.
Okay, half the nugget down.
That's a full nugget for
That's
me.
beautiful.
Should I try the sauce?
Bro.
So I've never had sweet and sour sauce in my life before.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna try it for the first time.
So good.
Woo! Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have boosted you up. Ah.
Okay, let's try and keep track of how many nuggets we eat. This is my second.
I just ate one. My second.
Okay, this looks really weird. Okay, sorry. I just want to make a little disclaimer. This is our first time kind of doing a challenge like this. So it kind of looks awkward, but trust me, it's not that awkward. We're just weird, I guess. But yeah, we're literally just eating nuggets. So enjoy.
So guys, what should we talk about? It's a wonderful day outside.
It's so hot outside and we want to film this outside, but we don't have enough space. Oh. And yeah. Here, let's keep the stack a little more visible here.
Huh?
Okay, so far I had 3.
It's my third, yeah.
I'm on my third right now. It doesn't look like 100.
Looks like 1,000. No, I'm kidding.
It looks like 50.
I know.
Honestly, pretty good.
Watch the guy put like.
Gotta love McDonald's chicken nuggets. On a Debbie note though.
So let me just take a quick minute to explain what Ken said. She said,
On a Debbie note though.
basically with all my cousins, we have this like inside joke about this person named Debbie. No, not Debbie Ryan. Debbie from like Six Buzz Toronto. We just kind of like crack jokes about her because like she's just a funny Toronto person. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but I just thought what Ken said needed some explaining because it makes no sense without an explanation.
I know. Honestly, on a good pool day,
4.
feels good. Okay. Question time. Ask what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Ish.
Me too, it's purple.
Yellow.
Same.
5.
I don't know.
No, I mean purple. My fault.
I like blue.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. What's your favorite TV show?
Right now it's Friends, but all-time Fresh Prince.
Yeah, same.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine too.
My favorite is probably Vampire Diaries.
Oh yeah.
I'm a Debbie Ting.
And you?
I like You. The show You.
That show scares me.
I love that show. It's my favorite
Joe's
show.
a goat.
10 chicken nugget.
I lost count.
I lost count.
But I'm surprised I'm still eating.
7, I'm 7, I think.
I'm at like 10.
Oh,
I think
no.
I'm full.
Something about like
just
McDonald's
kidding.
chicken nuggets is just like so different. Like, I don't know how to explain it.
Nice job. I know, like,
So good, boy.
you know, you can't get these chicken nuggets really anywhere except McDonald's.
Like the way the outside is and then the
But
inside, like
McDonald's chicken
I
nuggets.
don't know, it's like this nice taste.
Unique.
Wait, should we try to finish eating this at 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go ham? Cause okay, that's really the challenge that I've seen, like eating 100 nuggets in 10 minutes, but it's only really between 2 people. But like,
Oh yeah, it's been 5 minutes.
it's been 5 minutes. We have like,
Under 5 minutes.
So we have 5 more minutes.
Who could try?
you wanna try?
3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Take.
You know what?
Just everyone take like 10.
Okay, this is too much. I'm gonna throw up.
You don't have to eat it, but like, or fast. Just eat at your own pace. But let's just see how far we make
Oh,
it.
I thought we were trying to eat it fast.
I think we have a good maybe 30 left.
One sauce done. You know, I love my sweet and sour sauce, fam.
This is so good.
I need the video.
Don't worry. When it
This
marks,
should be like every day for
when
me.
10 minutes marks, I'll note down how much we have eaten.
Can you pass this for me?
Way to
Or
reach for
is
it.
anyone gonna use it?
No, eat it. Favorite like artist, like music, or what our favorite kind.
Drake.
I know I'm so bad at
Genre.
videos, but it's okay. That's what editing's for.
Hip hop, R&B. That's it. That's all.
Actually done, fam.
No, I'm just thinking about the sweet sauce.
I really wonder how much chicken nuggets I've ate so far.
So it's me. I'm back again. But I just wanted to say I was gonna keep track of how much everyone ate, but that's too much work. And it's kind of hard. So, like, I didn't really want to. Okay, back to the video.
I think I ate about maybe 8.
I've
Probably
had 14.
8 or 9.
8, I probably
I'm a slow eater. I'm a slow eater.
Me and Ish have 14.
I'm gonna be so fat after this.
Same.
Mm-hmm.
We all are.
If only chicken nuggets could just turn into a 6-pack. Like,
I know.
Prime example.
What if it's actually good for you?
Okay,
And you just don't know.
it's been 7 minutes.
Hand me that.
We have quite a lot left.
Actually, no. Look, the stack was like there before.
The stack was hella high, fam. Hella.
Yeah.
Like Debbie said.
And now-
Debbie gang or no gang?
Okay, guys.
Wow.
I have a good idea.
Go off, sis.
It's
20
9:20.
nuggets. 20 nuggets update.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
These.
Hold on. 1, 2,
What time is it? It's 9:25.
6,
Eat them all
8,
now.
9, 10,
Eat
11,
'em.
12,
Just stuff
Hey,
3
just
in your mouth.
hit them. About 22 left. And it's not even 10 minutes yet.
No, I already had 20.
Who cares?
I got 20.
I had like 20
You
after.
guys are waste man. You're really going by like how
Oh,
much
wow.
you ate.
Okay, pass me the platter then.
Come on, fam. We have like literally 15 seconds to make
Okay.
10 minutes.
Come on, fam.
15 seconds, you think we're gonna throw this all in our mouth in
I'll do
15
it.
seconds?
10 minutes has passed, and I'd say maybe we had
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
we've
6,
had 80% of it.
10, 11,
There's
12,
like
13,
18
14,
now.
15, 16, 17, 18 left.
So about approximately 80.
good.
We all ate 80%, approximately, all together.
Okay, math. I see you.
We have about
22.
20% left.
This is 23.
I'm full though.
Why is it so good?
I don't know, man. We need to do this more often.
Once a month.
Once a month. Bro, I would be
More
like
like once a week.
once a day, once an hour.
This guy was probably like, are these kids wackadoodle ordering 100 nuggets?
Imagine if we ate one.
What a go.
We would never know.
No, the bag was sealed. The bag was sealed.
Yeah.
See,
So
There's probably
he put,
some magic
he put it in the
magician.
bag though.
no, he didn't. The McDonald's people put it in the bag and seal the bag.
Yeah.
He just takes it and brings it.
Well, the McDonald's people put it in the
He was
bag.
scared of us though.
Hold on, wait.
Yes, how much have you eaten?
I think
Your YouTube
I've
video.
eaten maybe 12 or 13.
Like Like,
Come on,
we ate
then.
like
This is all
25.
yours. This should be all yours.
Okay, I think this is my last one, guys.
In 2 seconds,
No,
but you
double
posted
up?
on your story.
I actually could
boy.
probably eat one more.
Yes, I can.
One more? You're kidding me?
What? You gonna eat the rest?
Yeah.
Want to go?
I can't believe I really ate that much though. Like
Okay.
usually,
I am.
usually after I eat like when I get like after 10, I get to 8 and I'm like
I keep
ugh.
drinking water. Guys, let Aubrey speak.
No. Oh, sorry. I love you, Aubrey.
I'm good. Opening packs.
Say it.
No.
I'll cut it out. Say it out. I'll cut it out. I promise.
Okay, so. She ate 2 nuggets and she said she was full.
Ew.
Yeah, I literally just ate 2 nuggets in a row.
Can't relate.
I can't eat that. I
Me either.
I swear.
I'll eat one.
Wait, what is
Easy.
it called?
We're done, guys. We're done in 15 minutes.
Oh.
No, we have 15 seconds. Come on, eat it.
No, I'm good.
I was gonna offer more, but too bad. It's fine. We did it.
No, I would.
We have 8 seconds.
Put it in your mouth.
No, oh, I feel so bloated right now. I can jump in the pool now.
Aubrey, you should drink some water.
Are you okay?
Aubrey,
You're
you should drink some
gonna throw up in the
water.
pool.
I think I ate my 20.
No, I'm just joking. You probably did. Maybe.
No,
Maybe,
I definitely
maybe
did.
I ate 16, 17, or 18. That's what I think.
I definitely ate my
I definitely ate
20.
25.
I probably ate like 23, 24.
Yeah, I'm probably like the same as you guys.
Yo, we did not just down that like that.
You have
Say
nuggets in your hair.
No, I don't.
we forgot one more package of nuggets.
Stop.
Shut up.
I'm
Give like 20
starving now.
packs.
You can
Alright,
guys.
You guys.
Alright, that was our video. That was our challenge. Hope you
Pretty
enjoyed. Hope you can do the same.
Easy, quick one. Give me
and-
200. Give me 200.
And yeah, see you guys later. Enjoy your lives. Love you.
boys.
Peace out. Peace out.
Gang,
Gang,
I'm a
gang.
Debbie gang
Woo!
for real.
100 each.
I can't reach.
Debbie Gang time. Die.